Hi
guys.
We are from JD Birla Institute. I am Yashika Dugar from BBA department.
I am Neeraj Sancheti from PBA department.
And I'm Chavi Goyal from BCom department, and here we are completing our 6 weeks internship at Betterfin Partners. And today we are going to share experiences with you guys.
What all have you learned in these 6 weeks and how was your experience here?
I have learned a number of things here. I've learned how to connect to people and how to communicate with them. I have done my research on the US business valuation and the valuation of other countries as well. I have done my research also on the LinkedIn posts we have made on the account of which we had 1 lakh impressions on this. We were very successful on this on all the posts we created. I also learned how to maintain a good relationship with all the people around me, having good colleagues and people to work with. Thank you.
Here, I finally got the opportunity to explore my passion, that is designing and in digital marketing. Here, I manage the social media accounts like Instagram, LinkedIn, and YouTube. I even edited YouTube videos and created reels and made a LinkedIn post for the companies. Here I got the opportunity to know more about social media, and here sir believed in me and gave me the opportunity to explore.
Moving on to Chavi. Chavi, how was your experience?
So my interest has always been in finance, but I've never gotten an opportunity to understand how accounts actually are done in practical life. But here I got to learn about tally entries, how to do TDS reconciliation, GST filing, and how one transaction can affect the financial statements of the company, and how actually the accounting principles that we studied also applies in real life. So I've always had the bookish knowledge of accounts, but never got to practice it. So I learned so many things and covered the mistakes and how the accounts books are closed. And under the leadership of sir and ma'am both, we have all come a long way and learned a lot from them.
We always made goof ups, we had mistakes, we had to get back to the drawing board and doing things again and again, making corrections. But all that was a learning curve and learning phase for us. And
And sir always gave us the decision making opportunity regarding our respective works, and also if we have done some mistakes, so we also got the time to correct those mistakes as well, and also as a work as a team and learn to coordinate between ourselves and to understand what kind of skills we all bring to the table.
stepping into the corporate world, this was a great learning experience for the first time. And
We thank sir and ma'am for giving us this wonderful opportunity
And also to have faith in all of us for doing our work,
making our first internship very memorable. And
giving us the kind of work environment that we needed.
It was wonderful having all three of you. All the very best for your life ahead.
thank you.
thank you.